Welcome you all to new video on fundamental analysis. First of all, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a holistic approach to study any business. It can be IT, it can be a FMCG, it can be a tire company, it can be in a education sector, it can be in a business, any business like banking, pharma, etc. Then all are talking about the fundamental analysis and fundamental analysis. First of all, fundamental analysis is important to invest in a company or to buy a shares of a company for a long term duration. That is nothing but for an investment perspective. When we are thinking from an investment perspective, we have to do the fundamental analysis of the company which we are going to invest. It is very difficult or critical for investor to separate the daily short term noise in the share prices and concentrate on the underlying business performance. So, to segregate this short term noise, in this session, through practical way, we are going to learn how to do a fundamental analysis. We all know over the long term, some of the good companies like Infosys, Wipro, Asian Paint, etc., they are giving very good returns and the returns are tremendous, which are more than bank FD or which are more than some another commodities like gold or silver. So, what are the major parameters in fundamental analysis? First major parameter in fundamental analysis is company and its business model. Like, if you are talking about the Asian Paints, what the main motto of Asian Paints, what is their business model and what the Asian Paint company is doing. In the same fashion, we have to think for another company also, like their company business model and what is their business. Then second point in fundamental analysis is company promoters history, company's vision and mission, because vision and mission of the promoters will drive the company towards the profitable growth. Next parameter is strength of company across the sector competitors. Like Asian Paint have some another companies in the market which are acting as a competitors like Indigo Paints, Berger Paints, etc. So always we have to think from this perspective, who are the competitors for that company. Then which company we are doing the fundamental analysis, how that company is different from the respective other competitors. Next parameter is major risk factor involved in that business while we are doing the fundamental analysis. The next one is future growth potential. Is that company is having the bright future in coming 10 years, 5 years down the line or next 20 years down the line. That is very important. That is the parameter called future growth potential. Next point is financials of company. In financials of company, we have to see company sales data like company quarterly result, company annual result, company's profit and loss statement, company balance sheet, etc. And the last but not least, that is valuation of company, that is company share price, company market capital and other some relevant parameters. So all these major parameters I am going to explain practically First website to do fundamental analysis is screener.in. First website to do the fundamental analysis is screener.in. Next website to do the fundamental analysis is tickertape.in. This is also very good website to do the fundamental analysis. I am not promoting any website, just here I am going to explain the best of the best website to do the fundamental analysis. First I will start from the screener. Now the company which we like most, first we will type the name of that company. For example, Asian Paint. In Asian Paint, once we type the name of company, what this website is giving you, first one is market capital of the company, next one is stock current market price, then high and low price, then company stock price to earning ratio, PE ratio, then book value ratio, then dividend yield percentage, then ROCE, return on ROCE, then ROE, return on equity, then face value. On right hand side we will get the information of company, about us, and major company key points. We can read this company basic information from this about us point. Then next, if you see here, company's price range from year on year, 1 month return, 3 month return, or how the stock price goes on increasing or in a decreasing way. Then PE ratio, then sales and margin growth. Here we can see if the sales is increasing, then we have to see company is in a profitable. If say company sales is decreasing, then we have to see what is the final profit or loss in the company's profit and loss statement. And the same fashion, if you move to the next point, these are the pros and cons, like advantages and disadvantages of the company. The next one is peer comparison. In that same sector, we all know Asian Paint is from the paint industry. These are the major competitors: Asian Paint, Berger Paint, Kansai Nerlock, Indigo Paints, and some another company. Their relevant stock current market price, their PE ratio, market capital, and some other parameters. Then next one is quarterly result. Everyone knows in India there are total 4 quarters. First quarter is from 1st of the April, and last one next 1st of the April to the end of the June, and so on. So like this we can see the results of the quarterly results, company sales, expenses, and all the things. Then next one is company profit and loss statement, that is year on year, we can see here. Then company balance sheet also, because this website have given very nice in a tabular form all the information, all the values, so it's very good to analyze. Then next one is cash flow statement, then ratios, then company shareholding patterns. How much promoters are having the stake in this company, how much FII, how much DII, government and some other public domain, how much stock percentage investors are holding in that company. These are also in the shareholding pattern, you will get the information. At the end, documents. In the documents, company financial, all the informations, whatever the company is explaining to the investors, that all the informations are shown in this all the document list. Okay, so this is the first major website, that is screener.in. Same second website, that is tickertape.in. If you want some another stock, okay, you can search here. Like everyone knows, in FMCG, Britannia, right? Britannia Industries is one of the good stock. So whatever you want, you just type here and search. You will get all the information, overview, stock price, same way, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month return, then in which sector that particular company is, it is large cap, mid cap or small cap, what is its risk appetite, then some other key metrics like sector PB, sector PE, and all the parameters you can see. The which brands this company like Good Day Biscuit, Marigold, Tiger, some peer comparisons, then financial trend, then recent news, recent events, whatever all the relevant information related to that company which we need for the financial statement or which we need for the fundamental analysis, that we can get from this both the website. So again I am explaining the just name of these two websites, that is one screener.in and second one is tickertech.in. In left hand side corner you can see here intrinsic value, return versus FD, dividend return, entry point, no red flags. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you want like this content, please like and share this video to your friends as well as subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.